I must say this, you quickly do, although in England they might say, oh, it's La La Land, you know, I mean, well, what is it? But I will point something out to you. Everybody who lives here is deeply aware of the power of nature, simply because they have earthquakes, not predictable, and can be very, very big. So everybody's aware of that. If you've been here a while, you quickly become aware of that. Most of the damage to people in earthquakes here are on the feet from broken glass. So by your bed, you always have slippers ready. And I do, actually. It's why I always have a carton of cigarettes in the back and water. I must admit, I don't hear, you hear a rumble, a big rumble, and I don't hear it because I've taken the hearing aids out, but the dogs woke me up barking, and then the windows were shaking, and in my half-awake state, I thought, my God, I must be in San Francisco. What opera are we doing?
.2 in Barnsley. 5.2.
Well, the only injury, a chimney landed on somebody in South Yorkshire, I heard.
Well, I was
What were they doing under a chimney?
To tell him, it's amazing. I came back from LA, we come to Bridlington, and 2 hours later there's an earthquake in Bridlington. There we are. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it was an earthquake. The whole bed shook. The TV thing.
Everything. I thought we thought you'd fallen upstairs. We heard that big bang.
And we heard it, and I got up and go to see them. They're coming up. What happened? And it was. I thought it was an earthquake. I mean, I've been in a few.